Like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Shop Boss TV Production.
Yes, good night. So, Shop Boss family. Good night. Yeah, man. Big up myself one thing, God bless you all on one thing. It's massive. Subscribe to me channel and thing, people. People, man, I tell you this, people. I think the government should have a law against them. Something, Yeah, man. Because, watch out. The police, them, right? Them see our leader, a woman in a market that sells something on a cart and thing, and then we take away the cart with our food or for instance, our goods, them. You understand what I say? Right? And something like them thing we are going in our country. You see what I say? Man are dress up like woman. You see what I say? Right? Them thing are right. How comes the police now lock up them sitting here? How comes the police not locking up them something here, people? Eh? Police we are hunt them sitting here and lock them up, people. You see me? Just imagine right now how much youth go to a party and see that sitting here and check says a woman or feel says a woman and a wind up on it. Just imagine, people. How much man right now I watch social media and I see that face here. And members say they meet now in a party or a club and thing and I wind up on it and I kissed up half on the jaw and thing there. Eh? And them watch it, them dip on social media and I take in something on social media and see that a face that pop up on social media. Tell me now. How them man they feel right now? Also man feel if you know say boy bonafide them see a face up on social media. See, and they know say yo, they meet now and party. You see me say and them a wind up on it, them a dagger it, them a do. You see me say them a romance it with certain music play and thing and all these things and them a bite lick and all these things and don't know say is a man. You understand what I say? You see me? People. Yeah man. Jaja no star. Imagine, people. Imagine they sitting here, their party and thing, and it's gonna like man sit and like it and junk it for you don't know, you carry it home or something. But eventually it's come like this a sitting here, knock out and sit down bad. You see me? And to everybody's surprise, yo, big surprise, people. Yeah man. But I'm just wondering, people, how some man feel right now? How some man feel right now, people? My Shop Boss family. Yeah, man, don't tell me, man, how some man feel? Eh? When them see that face pop up on social media. And know, say they, yo, watch out them bucket in a party last week or last night and people. It's about say, and they about put out the most wickedest dagger in pan it and the most wickedest wine. Eh? How them feel? My God, man. I think the police are on some shit like this, people, and I lock them up, low the market people and legal them. Yeah, man, for real, man. It no fear. You see me? A whole man I lost after this when them sit on the road in the people. That's sitting here, That's sitting here. Shop Boss family. Subscribe and like, people. You see me I say? General people. This not right, you see me? Yeah man. Big up yourself, people. Yeah man. Touch up the thumb button and thing, people. You don't know Shop Boss family. Big up.